this video of mine, I will be sharing with you all 10 such food options that you can include in your daily breakfast to kickstart a healthy and nutritious day. It is rightly said that breakfast is the most important meal of our day. What we have for breakfast helps determine the kind of energy levels we will have as the day passes by, and it helps to determine also the kind of food choices and lifestyle choices that we will be making throughout the day. Like one step leads to another, having a healthy breakfast ensures not only a nutritious start to your day, but also that you'll be more inclined to make healthier lifestyle choices as the day progresses. Oatmeal is one such breakfast item which is not only easy to cook but is highly nutritious and has many positive health effects on the body. It also helps in lowering down the blood sugar levels and also control cholesterol levels in our body. Although all kinds of oatmeal are good for us, but if we go for the old-fashioned rolled out oats or the steel cut oats, is better because it contains more fiber and is much better than the instant counterparts available in the market. Go for unflavored oatmeals when you're buying it, like instead of going for oatmeal that already comes with sugar and flavors in it and preservatives added, best is to go for plain oatmeal and make your own healthy, delicious, nutritious mix while you cook. Oatmeal can also be made in a different way. There's like, if you don't like the sweet version of having oatmeal with fruits and nuts, you could also go and cook it with go about cooking it with lots of vegetables and in Indian upma style. It works brilliantly, and I've seen a lot of people have adapted that way of including oatmeal in their breakfast. Eggs by far is the easiest, most nutritious kind of food item that you can include in your daily breakfast to have a nutritious start to your day. Well, once shunned to be contributing to having higher level of cholesterol, research nowadays show that it's not having a whole egg that could contribute to having higher levels of cholesterol. However, having a sedentary lifestyle or not working out enough and including a lot of saturated processed fats in your diet could be a reason for higher levels of cholesterol, and eggs have nothing to do with it. So it's not only harmless to include eggs in your daily diet, it's actually beneficial as it provides you higher level of proteins, vitamin B complex and vitamin D. So include eggs in your daily breakfast to kickstart a healthy and nutritious day. Chia seeds is an excellent food to start your day with. Did you know just a 2 tablespoons of chia seeds is equivalent in calcium of 1 glass of milk? Well, it is a good source not only of calcium, iron, and fiber, it also is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and is essential to be in everyone's diet. Also, the people who are vegetarian are highly advised to include chia seeds in their diet, and best to start their day with a dose of chia seeds as part of their breakfast. Berries such as strawberries, mulberries, blackberry, blueberry, amla, any kind of berry is not just an excellent source of vitamin C, it's very high in antioxidants and other vitamins that you require to ensure a healthy and nutritious start to your day. Why not, let's say, include berries at any kind of breakfast that you are going on? Or, for example, you make a plate of oatmeal for you and top it with all these different kind of berries to ensure an excellent and healthy way to start your day. Nuts and nut butters. When you are trying to include some healthy fats in your daily breakfast, go for nuts, seeds, and nut butters that is procured using these nuts. It's an excellent way to include healthy fats in your diet and also provide you with all the essential omega fatty acids, also other minerals and vitamins that are required to have a healthy body. Kickstart your day with a high protein breakfast. You can include high protein foods such as eggs and chia seeds and other kind of protein sources or plant protein in your diet to begin your day with. If not, you could invest in a nice, good quality protein powder, have a whey protein shake to start your day with. Ensuring a good amount of protein as you start your day ensures a healthy day ahead, and that also ensures that you'll be making healthier choices for the other meals that you'll be choosing to put in your meal plan. Milk and dairy products is also an excellent way to start your day. It not only ensures a good dose of protein but also a high level of calcium in the first meal that you'll be having. Dairy products such as yogurts, cheese, paneer, cream can all be included or can be used to make breakfast options that will be highly nutritious for you. You could also include a healthy cereal and just some skim milk to ensure that you're going for a good nutritious start to your day. Include a lot of plant protein in your breakfast items. You could start your day with, let's say, sprouted moong dal salad or moong dal chilas. You could also go for besan chilas with some paneer filling in it. There are endless options, especially in Indian cuisine, to start your day with a high dose of plant protein and to ensure that you are having a high protein, fibrous, nutritious start to your day. For those having an extremely busy lifestyle, a quick healthy smoothie is an option to go about. All you need to do is put all your healthy ingredients in that blender, blend it into a healthy smoothie, and enjoy a glass full of wholesomeness and health. All you could go for a smoothie made with fruits, a bit of oatmeal, dairy products. If you don't want to have dairy products in your smoothie, you could go for water, just add a bit of oatmeal. You could have a protein whey powder as well added to your smoothie to make it extra healthy and kickstart a healthy day. Next time, lack of time shouldn't be an excuse to have an unhealthy breakfast. Quick mention to a few more food items that can ensure a healthy and nutritious kickstart to your day is, for example, green leafy vegetables, quinoa. You could go for whole meals of millets or barley or any kind of other whole cereals. Also include lentils, soya bean, all kind of nutritious legumes that you can go for your breakfast. Eggs, as I've already mentioned, include some kind of vegetable, some kind of nuts in any possible way, and that would ensure that you're already starting your day with a balanced and a nutritious way. I hope all these tips are going to be helpful for you, and once you put them in use, do let me know and comment below what do you feel, and if you have any more questions, any more queries, any more recipes that you would like me to share, I would happily do that. Just make sure that you're starting your day on a healthy note from now onwards.
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from One World News.